That's why I don't have a DJ. Because you charge too damn much. Where's all my sexy ladies? With the pretty brown eyes. I got 2 roses. Who deserves this rose right here? Let me tell you what this means right here. Let me tell you what one of these roses means, okay? Just so you know what it means to me. When you get it, I'm gonna treat you like a king. I'm gonna love you tonight. If I give you this rose, what are you gonna give me? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna try. Beautiful red, white stripes. Woo! It went right to her, but her friend said, Cabrona, I got this one. Yes, I love you too, beautiful. Here you go. Come here. Can I have a kiss? Can I trade you for a kiss? You know what she said, right? She said, you make me want to get lost in love. My homeboy told me magic. It's because of lost in love that I have 4 kids and it's your damn fault. Yeah. How you doing, sweetheart? Hey, you know these last few months we've been together have been so right. And I'm just so happy for what we shared. How do you feel?
Wanna get lost in love.
Let's get lost in love. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I love you, San Antonio. This love we share, something so especial. It's up contigo, it's all I wanna do every night. Ever since el primer día, the first day, I knew it last forever. If I had it my way, so the things go on. No hago otra cosa. The dream about the moments our hearts would come closer. Holding tu mano and your face tan bonita. Never met such a sexy Texas mamacita. Gotta say that you're the best. A million ways just to express me. I'm more. I know that we will be together. So sing for me, S.A. Let's sing together. Together forever to our end. Hold me, baby, don't let go. Like never before. Always. To my ending days. Making love in the nighttime. Rocks and romance. I'm telling you, hermosa, my heart is in a trance. They say that true love is so hard to find. I thank the man up above for making you mine. We be talking on the telephone, sending you kisses, a dozen roses to say that I am missing the warmth of your body right next to mine. And it's still not mejor, like a toast of fine wine. Out to the movies, sharing some ice cream. Since soy dormido, don't wake me from my dream. Todo lo que quiero, all I need is your affection. My life is fine, but you brought perfection. And now we sit here, holding hands, whispers in my ear, tell me that I'll be your man today, mañana, in a paradise for two. I feel the same way, cause I'm so in love with you. Yeah, yeah. Has anybody ever made love to this song right here? Gina, I love you for it. Yeah, oh, you take pictures. So real, yeah. You know this love we share was just something so special. The tenderness. I just don't know what else to say, girl. Would you sing to me one more time like this? Let's get lost in love. What do you got? Who ain't you, guys? Grills. Are you ready? You know, I try to do what I do.